Snowboard lacing systems explained. First up, we have a regular lace boot. Pros are that you can really finesse the feel and the tightness because of the laces and every eyelet. Cons are they are a little difficult to get off at the end of the day when your hands are cold and possibly wet. Next up, we have the Speed Zone. Very similar in that it's still a fabric lace, but you have a pull tab to tighten that lace. Pull back, it locks, and then you wind this little pull tab up, put it in its little spot. It has two zones for the lower and the upper, so you can get independent tightness. Great offering, a lot faster than regular laces, pretty good stuff. Next up we have laces with boa. The boa on the dial here is to constrict and pull back your forefoot and your heel into the boot. So it's an inside lace closure. And that's really cool because it doesn't, usually in boots there's a little bit of play sometimes in the heel and it's hard to get that out. So companies have put this boa dial in to really pull that back and get rid of it, which is nice. And then you have all the benefits of the fit and feel of regular laces. The only con is they're a little hard to get off at the end of the day. And then we come to full boa boots. Now they can come in a single boa, so one boa up front here on the top that would control all the laces, or in this boot, it's a dual zone boa. So the side one here controls one section of the lace and the front one controls the upper section of the lace. That's really nice because easy to get in and out. Snap, snap. Go ahead and ratchet those down. It's kind of a fun sound too. And it's really easy and simple to use. Also very easy to get off. The last little benefit too is that at the end of the day, they're easy to get off, but during the day, you can tighten them up on the fly.